Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been dying to share with you guys Stella Dot's spring line. For those of you that have been subscribed for a little bit, you guys know that I'm a Stella Dot stylist and I absolutely love Stella Dot. This, I think, has been my favorite collection of all time. And seriously guys, I get obsessed with every single collection that they do, but this one has been like my all-time favorite. So I have this huge package here that I got from them recently. I don't believe I'm missing anything. This is all like jewelry, and I don't believe I'm missing anything. So first of all, let's talk about their rebranding. So they rebranded and they did their packaging again, and look how pretty this packaging is. So I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is a blush pink with like hot pink letters, S&D, Stella Dot. It's so pretty. And then now they're putting the names of the products here in the back. So I'm gonna have all these products linked down below if you guys want to get them. So the first one is the Take Heart Delicate Necklace. I swear I'm in love with every single piece in this collection. So this is what this necklace looks like. This is again the Take Heart Delicate Necklace. So pretty. It's on gold. It has all these cute little delicate hearts. I haven't worn it only because I've been wanting to show you guys, but I'm so obsessed. I'm dying to put this on. Look how pretty it is. And then it is like a little bit of a longer chain. It's not too long, but I don't know exactly how many inches it is. It's not too long, but it's not like a choke or anything like that. Tell me that's not pretty, especially for this time of year. Valentine's Day gifts, guys. So that's the first piece that I'm absolutely obsessed with. The next one that I got are the Alexandria chandeliers, and these already came out in blush and black. These are exclusive through stylists, so you would have to actually go through me to be able to get a pair of these, and they put them out now in red for the season, and they're absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look how pretty. Again, these are the Alexandria chandeliers, and these obviously I believe are going to be limited edition. And you do have to go through me again if you guys want a pair of these. These are absolutely gorgeous. I have them in blush. I did not get the black, but I do have them in blush. And then now these are the red ones. So pretty. And of course they're beautiful against black hair or dark brown hair. So those are the Alexandria chandeliers. Obsessed. The blush ones are like part of the permanent, but not these. Next thing I got is the Essential Hammered Heart Studs in rose gold. So another reason why I'm obsessed with this spring collection is because they came out with a lot of rose gold pieces, guys. This is one of them. Look how pretty these are. That we have these in gold, and now these are the rose gold ones, and they're the smaller heart hammered studs. So pretty. Absolutely in love. Absolutely in love. I also have the Celestial choker, guys. This is the choker that I usually wear, that I have, that it's like, it's gold and it's real pretty, real dainty. If you guys follow Michelle1218, which is my hostess or sponsor, or what is she called? She's the reason why I joined Stella Dot, basically. She loves the Celestial choker, as I do. And we have it in gold, in silver, and now in rose gold. And look how beautiful that is, guys. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. I love this. I love this. I always make sure I have backups in case anything happens, because I love this choker. This choker can be layered with anything, and everyone's going crazy because now we have it in rose gold. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna end up going quickly. The next thing are the scarf tie hoops. I saw these and I thought they were just so different and cute. Look how cute this is. Look how cute these are. Look how cute that is. And I didn't know that they have a little bit of like blue polka dots on them. I didn't really know that they had that, but just a teeny bit. I don't know if you guys can see there, but it's so pretty. It's like a blush colored material with a little bow on the bottom. So pretty. Such a little like cute little statement piece. I love them. Totally obsessing over these as well. When I saw them, I thought they were so adorable. All right, now this is from the Keep Collective line that they have, and this is the short lock necklace in rose gold, and I loved this. So this is like a little bit of a different packaging because it's the Keep Collective line, and look how pretty this is. Keep It Lock necklace. I got it in rose gold, and look how pretty this is. The best part is going to be what I'm going to show you in a minute. So it says close to your heart, and look how pretty that is. What a nice gift. Like, doesn't get any better than that. So with this necklace, you can actually add charms to the lock, which I loved the idea, of course. But what you do is you would have to open the little lock here. You just pull it down and open it up. And then I'm going to show you the charms that I got, which I was super excited about too. Well, they came in this little pouch here. And I got the heart arrow locket. I got the mama in rose gold. I got my initial, which is a B. And look how pretty they come. And I also got the hearts bar. So now I'm going to put them in the necklace. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So you get your little charm. You put it in. Just so I can show you real quick. You put it in and you push it back in, and then you have your little charm in there. And of course, I got several, so I'm going to put them all in there. You can like pick and choose. You can change it up. So it's like very personalized, obviously. And very different. And I'm gonna put my mama necklace, my mama little charm. I had to get that. And of course I got everything in rose gold. And last but not least, my heart arrow. This one is so pretty. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. I love that. Very, very beautiful. Little charms, push it right back in, and look how pretty. So now I have my little locket with all my different little charms. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it good, but see all my little charms there. My mama, my heart, and then I can use whatever charms I want. I can just put one, or I can put several. Absolutely in love. Another piece I absolutely fell in love with, guys. I'm telling you, if you guys like pink, blush, rose gold, this is the line you want to buy from. This is called the Rebel Bangle in the color blush, and when I saw this, I'm like, okay, I obviously need this in my life. Look how beautiful that is. I don't know if the camera's picking it up correctly, but it is a blush color. It is so pretty. It looks kind of white, but it is like a very light blush color. You open it up. So that's it right here. Obviously, it doesn't match with these. I had to push them down. Look how pretty that is. So pretty and classy. And it's such a pretty light blush color. So obsessed. So obsessed. This one here, I believe, is my favorite piece from the entire line. I was so obsessed as soon as I saw this, and I know you guys are gonna be obsessed too. Beautiful packaging, of course. This is the Take Heart Statement Heart Necklace. You guys know that I've always loved statement necklaces, but this completely is me. Look at this beauty right here, guys, with its little heart locket. So it is a light blush color, pretty much like the bangle. You could wear this with the bangle. It's a very light blush color. I don't know if the camera's picking it up well, but it's a very light blush. It's so beautiful. And then it has your beautiful heart locket here. Look how pretty. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear this. Like, oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. It's so pretty. Sometimes I feel like filming in my car is not like the best, because obviously I don't know if the lighting is the best, but I was so desperate to film this for you guys because the pieces are just out of this world for this line, this collection. I say line or collection, it's collection. The pieces in this spring collection are just out of this world. I'm like so obsessed. I'm gonna have all these pieces linked down below, guys. They're so amazing. I'm obsessed with all of them. I think you guys are gonna be super obsessed too because they're so beautiful. Don't forget that the Alexandria chandeliers are limited edition and you do have to get them through me. So if you are interested, you can send me a message. The rest of the stuff, I'll have the link down below if you guys want to get it. They're just so amazing pieces. I love Stella and Dot, and this collection has been my favorite, and I love that they did like the whole rebranding and repackaging with this collection. So like I said before, if you guys are into pink, blush, rose gold, all of that stuff, this is the time to jump on the bandwagon. Also, if you guys are wondering, these earrings right here, they're also from Stella and Dot. So I'll have those linked down below as well if you're interested. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, all that good stuff. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.